What's up guys, Faz here from Beckett Boy, back again with another video. Today's video we are going to take a sneak peek, we're going to have an unboxing session of the Grademaster, the centering tool. I did mention in one of the other videos that I had it on order. I had one previously, like 18 months ago, gave it to a friend, never got it back. I was like, cool, I'm just going to get another one. And then I thought this would actually make a really good video. So I am going to make a tutorial separate to this. Today we're just going to have a look at what it is. I will leave a link in the description where you can get this because these come from overseas. I couldn't find an Australian seller for this, so you do have to, you know, it's a 3 or 4 week wait, I think it was, before I ordered it and when I got it. They're not that expensive. You get them for around 30 bucks, I think it was, including postage, which was pretty good. But yeah, it's a really helpful tool. It is basically aimed at PSA standard for centering. So it'll give you, PSA I think is about anywhere between 60-40 for them, can still net you a PSA 10. So that's where this gets really important. Now Beckett and SGC are a little bit tighter on their centering, and I'm not sure of the exact percentages that you need to get a high grade with those guys. However, this tool can still help because it'll show you true center and stuff like that. So I do have in the pipeline another video, and I'm gonna make that and put it together. We'll do a tutorial for the Grademaster, and then we'll do a video on all of the stuff, the equipment that I use, with links. I've got a magnifying LED light with a 5x, 3x and a 5x magnifying reflector in that, so I can actually zoom in and look at the card a bit better with the light. I've got a little table that I use, which I call the lab. It's right here, but I just call it the lab. And I've got a softbox and a couple of other lights that are pretty handy as well. So, and this Grademaster will be included in that, but we'll run through that another time. Today's about the unboxing, so let's have a look at it. So I must confess, I already unboxed it technically, but it's still in the package. We are going to have a quick look. I know what these look like. There's a couple of sellers that sell these, and they're all pretty much identical. Really well branded, actually. It comes with a little sticker, and I'll just read it out to you. It says, Original Grademaster Card Centering Tool. Back Products LLC, obviously an American company, grademasterusa@gmail.com. So that's their email. You can reach out to them. It comes with a nice little felt polishing cloth. You can polish up your mosaics and your refractors, I guess. And then it should be just 3 little slabs of, so here's the actual tool. That's the actual tool, and I'll just zoom in on that so you can see. Might not be able to see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, you can see the little things. You basically just put this over the top of your card and then line it up. But I'll show you that in the next tutorial, which I'll put out, and we can have a look at that. That's the tool itself, and the last two. Okay, so it's just got a directions thing. These are all little laminates. It's a directional thing, which is pretty cool. Tells you the directions of what to do. And also, and this is the really good, the centering percentages. Now the bold ones, I believe, are the ones that will still net you a PSA 10. What did I say, 60-40? Yeah, so 60-40, some cards can 60-40 with a PSA and still get a PSA 10 on centering standards. Keep that in mind if you go with PSA. They're a little bit lenient, more lenient with their centering than most of the others. So yeah, that's a bit of trivia for you. So that's that, guys. If you're loving our content, please give us a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel because it really does help us out a lot. I'm just a guy that does this on the side, so bringing out as much content as I can. I work full-time, support a family, so sometimes you might not see a video every week, I am trying to really push myself to get to that next level where I'm a bit more consistent with putting out content for you guys. I know you guys love it, so that's going to be something that I've been pushing on. But yeah, if you can subscribe to the channel and comment down there, I love engaging. You guys have really come at me with some stuff that I didn't, sometimes you don't think about some of the stuff, so it's really good. It does help me cater the content a lot to some of the stuff that you guys want to see. So, thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.